chapter combustion kind flame. Lab activity is aim oxygen helps in a burning. Right? For this activity, the materials required are test tube holder, spirit lamp, matchbox, incense stick, right? And in Telugu language it's called agarbatti. Next, potassium permanganate. Its formula is KNO4 and it is violet in color. So see, this is incense stick. Okay, this is test tube and this is test tube holder. Right? Matchbox and candle. Right? Instead of spirit lamp, in this activity we are using candle. Right? So first, what is first one? Just take a incense stick. Take a incense stick, Chandraj come here, and light it. Take a incense stick and light it. Okay, and place it for a few seconds. Okay, place it aside for a few seconds. After lighting, just place it few seconds. Right? Okay. So place it just aside. Then what is then? Take a test tube with the help of test tube holder. After that, just take potassium crystal, potassium permanganate crystal in a test tube. So what is the formula of potassium permanganate? That means oxygen will be there in potassium permanganate. So after that what happens? Just light a candle. Otherwise spirit lamp. Here be available candle is there. So instead of spirit lamp I am taking a candle and light it. Okay? Light it candle. Right. So it helps us as a spirit lamp. Just after lighting candle, just place a test tube on a spirit lamp, otherwise on candle flame, and heat it for a second.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
So what happens here when we heat potassium permanganate? It releases oxygen. From potassium permanganate, when we heat it, oxygen will be released. And now take incense stick which we kept aside, right? And place it inside the test tube. And this burning candle react with oxygen present inside the test tube. And this burning incense stick start with a bright burning with a bright flame. It start burning with a bright flame. Right? In your test tube, you will observe that there is a burning of incense stick. It gives a bright flame to us. See, are you observing? So that means we can say from this activity, oxygen helps in a burning. See, it is because of potassium permanganate releases oxygen, and this incense stick react with oxygen and it start burning with a bright flame. So this is our activity. From this activity we can say that oxygen helps in burning. Right? Thank you everyone.